In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your mobile number on Alibaba. Whether you've switched service providers or just need to update your contact details for any reason, it's important to keep your information current to maintain seamless communication with your Alibaba contacts. Stick with me as we go through each step to make this change simple and efficient. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and navigate to Alibaba.com. Once you're on the home page, locate the sign in option on the top right corner of the page. If you're already signed in, fantastic. If not, enter your credentials to access your account. Once logged in, direct your eyes to the top menu and find where it says your profile. Clicking on your profile section will lead you to a drop-down menu. From here, you'll see various options related to your account settings. Next, you should click on the account option. This will redirect you to a more detailed page where you have access to all your personal settings and options. Now, this is where you can manage everything related to your profile, including that crucial contact information. On this page, locate the My Profile option and give that a click. By doing this, you're specifically navigating to the section where you can edit personal details that Alibaba uses to manage your account. Now look for the option labeled Contact Information. Clicking on this will display all your current contact details, including phone numbers and email addresses. This is the key section where we'll make the change. You should see an option to edit. It may appear as a small pencil icon or simply the word edit. Click on edit to start the updating process. When you click here, Alibaba will trigger an added security measure. They'll send you a verification code via email to confirm it's truly you making these changes. Head over to your email inbox and find the verification code. Email providers can sometimes filter such emails into spam, so check there too if you don't see it right away. Once you retrieve the code, enter it back on Alibaba under the verification prompt and be sure to hit Submit. Next up, you're ready to enter your new mobile number. Carefully type it into the designated field, ensuring there are no mistakes as this will be your new primary contact number. Finally, click the Submit button to save the changes. Alibaba might confirm these updates with a notification, letting you know that your information has been successfully updated. And that's it. By following these steps, you ensure that your Alibaba account reflects your correct mobile number, ready for seamless communication. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to keep your contact details up to date for a smooth experience on Alibaba.